The Magical Journey of Lily and the Talking Owl. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily, with her sparkling eyes and a heart full of curiosity, yearned for adventure beyond the familiar landscapes of her village. Little did she know that a magical journey awaited her just beyond the horizon. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Lily stumbled upon an ancient-looking book hidden in the nook of an old oak tree. Intrigued, she opened the book to find a map that led to the Enchanted Valley, a mystical place rumored to hold secrets untold. Lily, fueled by excitement, decided to embark on a quest to discover the wonders of the Enchanted Valley. Armed with the map and a small bag of provisions, Lily set forth on her journey. The path led her through meadows adorned with wildflowers, dense forests echoing with the songs of birds, and babbling brooks that whispered tales of times long past. As she ventured deeper into the unknown, the air around her seemed to shimmer with an otherworldly energy. As the day waned and the moon took its place in the evening sky, Lily found herself at the entrance of the Enchanted Valley. The air was filled with a soft glow, and the trees seemed to sway in harmony with a magical melody. In the midst of the valley, she encountered a wise old owl perched on a moss-covered stone. The owl, with its silver feathers and penetrating gaze, greeted Lily in a language she could surprisingly understand. "Greetings, young traveler. I am Orion, the guardian of the Enchanted Valley. What brings you to this mystical realm?" he inquired. Lily, with a mixture of awe and excitement, explained her quest and the ancient book she had discovered. Orion, the talking owl, nodded knowingly and offered to be her guide through the wonders of the valley. Together, they explored enchanted meadows, crossed crystal-clear streams, and encountered magical creatures that existed only in the realm of dreams. During their journey, Orion shared stories of the valley's history, recounting the tales of brave adventurers and the extraordinary events that had unfolded in this magical land. Lily listened with rapt attention, absorbing the wisdom imparted by her newfound friend. As they reached the heart of the Enchanted Valley, Lily beheld a breathtaking sight, the Fountain of Dreams. The fountain, surrounded by shimmering butterflies and radiant flowers, had the power to grant wishes to those whose hearts were pure. Lily closed her eyes and made a wish for happiness and prosperity for her village. To her amazement, the fountain responded with a gentle glow, and Lily felt a surge of warmth in her heart. Orion congratulated her on her pure intentions and commended her courage throughout the journey. It was time for Lily to return to her village, but the memories of the Enchanted Valley would forever hold a special place in her heart. With a heart full of gratitude, Lily bid farewell to Orion and the magical realm, returning to her village as a changed and wiser young girl. The once dull village now seemed brighter, and the simple joys of life took on a new significance. Key vocabulary. 1. Quaint, charming, delightful. 2. Meandering, winding, twisting. 3. Intrigued, captivated, fascinated. 4. Nook, corner, angle. 5. Fueled, energized, filled with energy. 6. Otherworldly, supernatural, unrelated to the ordinary world. 7. Shimmer, gleam, radiance. 8. Babbling, chattering, endless talking. 9. Untold, unspoken, undisclosed. 10. Waned, decreased, diminished. 11. Awe, amazement, wonder. 12. Rapt, engrossed, absorbed in. 13. Beheld, gazed at, dominated by. 14. Radiant, shining, bright. 15. Surge, increase, upsurge.